Hello, today I want to show you how to use the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve using a very simple example. So let's jump into DaVinci Resolve. This is the Fusion page. So first we need a composition. It's similar to a composition in After Effects or Nuke. So if you go up to the upper left corner and right click, you can say New Fusion Composition. And call this my composition. And then double click this to edit. And now we get a node called media out. And this is the output result of the composition we create. So let's do something really simple. So if you're using a node-based compositor, you normally don't use the menus because that is taking quite a lot of time. So instead we are going to use keyboard shortcuts. So if you press Shift and Space, you get a menu where you can select your nodes. And here you can type, for example, text. And then you see the text related nodes. So let's choose here let's see, text plus, for example. And press enter. And now we have our first node. To see the result, we need to connect this to the media output. And then type some text on the right side. So say hello world. And now you can see in the upper right that it says hello world, and make this a little bit bigger. And maybe we want to have a background, say red, and increase the alpha to fully opaque. And you can see that we have two viewers on the left and on the right. And these can be selected under each node using the first and the second dot. So this is viewing the content of this node in that viewer. And you also have a third dot, and this is for your external monitor. So just to show what that is all about, if you have an interface like this, that's where you can feed to your external monitor. And the result would look like this. This is the output to my external monitor. And it's really this simple. So I hope that you learn to do your first Fusion composition, and let's do something more interesting next time. See you.